In primetime news this evening, Central Westmoreland MP faces more pressure to resign amid assault allegations. Prime Minister loosens weekend curfews. And scores of Jamaicans left disappointed as vaccination centers close early due to high demand.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your views on the relaxation of the weekend lockdown measures? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.